Learning exemplars and worksheets are being printed right now. The teachers are having their school-based training. Our supervisors and principals have had theirs in the last 2 months. And what's good about this is we are never alone in the preparations. Our LGUs are also helping out. Our private school partners truly concretizing the saying that it takes a village to raise a child. Ito ang esensya ng kabad ng bayanihan. Nagtutulungan. This partnership has been proven during the pandemic and we continue to harness and capitalize on this partnership. This activity also is in support of the 5 priorities of DepEd NCR. These are, number 1, keeping school-age children in school. Number 2, improving foundational skills. Number 3, capacitating our teachers and school heads. Number 4, ensuring a learner-centered environment. And number 5, strengthening governance. Today, we acknowledge that we will face many challenges again in order to make this school year truly productive for our learners. And yes, while we acknowledge that the journey to improving learning outcomes will be an uphill climb, we are assured of the dedication of DepEd teaching and non-teaching personnel, our LGUs, and our private school partners. And so today, we eagerly prepare our 828 schools, our close to 3 million learners, to an exciting journey of discovery, of meaningful encounters with teachers, and exciting activities in their classes. And lastly, today, we affirm our commitment once again to take care of the young, to give them all we've got, to serve them, and to provide them the exemplars if need be, in order that they grow up to be productive citizens. Ang lahat ng ito para lagi sa bata at sa bayan. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat.